So guys, you all are welcome to this channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how Ikpeazu was expecting to be paid pension by Alex Otti. So guys, Governor Alex Otti of Abia State has said that anger that propelled the issuance of a release by Dr. Ikpeazu's aides suggests that the former governor was actually expecting to be paid pension. Otti made it known while reacting to a press statement issued by the immediate past governor of Abia State, Dr. Ikpeazu, through his spokesperson, Emmanka. So guys, impartial observers had reported that Governor Otti has signed a bill into law stopping payments of pension to former governors and deputy governors in the state. So guys, Governor Otti, in a statement signed by Ferdinand Ekoma, Special Advisor Media and Publicity to the governor, said infantile release and the tone thereof suggests that Ikpeazu is angry over Otti's decision to repeal the law, which has since attracted massive accolades and support from the people. He further said that Ikpeazu didn't need to remind Abians that he has not received a dime as pension since leaving office because he is not in a position to pay himself. So guys, at no time did Abia State government or her spokesperson issue any statement mentioning Dr. Ikpeazu or any former governor with respect to the repealed law. The law is a state policy that would outlive every governor and deputy governor. It is not targeted at any individual or individuals. The infantile release and the tone thereof suggests that Ikpeazu is angry over Otti's decision to repeal the law, which has since attracted massive accolades and support from the people. Ikpeazu didn't need to remind Abians that he has not received a dime as pension since leaving office because he's not in a position to pay himself. Of course, Governor Otti could not have paid him when the governor has been busy grappling with the task of trying to clean the mess and clear years of accumulated arrears running into several billions which the former governor left behind. So guys, the anger that propelled the issuance of that release suggests that the former governor was actually expecting to be paid by Governor Otti, just like Ikpeazu paid his predecessors. As much as we do not begrudge the former governor for having the expectation that has now been dashed, it is important to remind him that it would be a clear act of injustice for him to be paid when he did not deem it fit as governor to prioritize the pensions of thousands of senior citizens who are hoping on the intervention of the present governor for the payment of their accumulated arrears, some of them dating back to 2015. Governor Alex Otti is simply thinking Abians first. Hence, the luxury of politicians remains secondary. Do you know that Dr. Ikpeazu and his aides know very well that the governor is facing governance with seriousness, sincerity, and tenacity, which is why the state is swiftly becoming a positive reference point. Therefore, Governor Otti does not require such unsolicited admonition from the former governor to realize the need to face governance. So guys, just the way Dr. Ikpeazu issued a needless, controversial and distortional press statement before commissioning of the geometric power plants and many others he had issued before then, it's now obvious that this release is a creation of a complex predicated on the false assumptions that he's on a performance contest with Governor Otti. So guys, as much as this present governor is prepared to correct every wrong that was done by the previous government and recover whatever that was allegedly looted, we have, however, refused to personalize our policies and actions, just as we have intentionally refused to make Ikpeazu or any other former governor a subject of public discourse. So guys, I don't know why Ikpeazu is consistently on this panic mode, which has created an infertile obsession that sees him either spilling out first that of what he left behind or laying claims to what he never did. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. See you guys in the next section.